Artatawe, 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 Artatawe. Hello again, user, and welcome to this tutorial. This is number 4 in the series. I'm Keone and I'm your guide, showing you the Artatawe way. So, we'll be looking at how to sort out your profile stuff. So let's have a look at that. Here I am already logged in, and I can just click the profile tab up here, and it shows me all my details. So this is how you view the details. To edit details, let's say I want to change my address to, I don't know, let's click edit details. And let's say I've moved, let's say I was supposed to put in Bryn Mill. Just save the details there, and that's all right. Now, what would I like to do next? So I've done viewing and editing details. Oh, I haven't got an avatar. So let's try clicking select new avatar. Oh, and by pure luck, I've got a photo here to use as my avatar. I click, oh no, not cancel. I click confirm, and there we go. I'll set up my new avatar. Okay, now if we want to create a new custom image, I can show you how to do that. So just click create new custom image, and here we can make, well, here we go, we've got a canvas here. So if I wanted some rectangles, wonderful stuff. If I wanted circles, let's have them in green. Okay, and I can also fill them with this grey colour. Or I can do the same with the circle in this colour. Oh yeah, c'est magique. Now I can have a brush here, and this brush could be like this. There we go. Oh, up, down, it, oh, oh, and oh, that's amazing. And we've also got a line here, and let's just have that in. It's not very nice and colourful, this is it. Let's have that. So click and drag, 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 click and drag. I'll just click save there. I have to close the system, and next time I run it, what's it going? Just type in that. There we go, in profile, and there we go, this very weird photo. But of course I don't want to keep it as that, because this is the one that I... Excellent. And that's how you do that. Please stay tuned for more. Is there more? Yes, there are more in this series. Thank you. Artatawe, Artatawe, Artatawe.